Now, let's discuss the formation of anions in detail. Anions are negatively charged ions, and they are formed by the gain of one or more electrons by an atom. And in case of anions, number of electrons are more than that of number of protons. So, they are negatively charged ions. And if an element has 5, 6 or 7 electrons in its outermost shell of its atom, then it gains electrons to achieve the stable inert gas configuration of 8 electrons, and it forms negatively charged ions called anion. And atoms of non-metals gain electrons to form anions to achieve the noble gas configuration. Now let's move to the formation of chloride ions. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Now look at its electronic configuration, which is 2, 8 and 7. And we find that chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 electrons in its outermost shell. So, it needs one more electron. It needs one more electron to achieve the stable 8 electron configuration of an inert gas. So, in order to become more stable, chlorine atom gains one electron in its outermost shell to achieve a stable octet or stable noble gas configuration. And by gaining one electron in its outermost shell, chlorine atom achieve noble gas electronic configuration and forms chloride ions having one unit negative charge. In case of chlorine atom, equal number of protons and electrons are present. So, it is electrically neutral, having no charge. But in case of chloride ion, the number of protons are less than that of the number of electrons. So, due to one more electron than protons, a chloride ion has a negative charge. Or we can say that chloride ion is negatively charged ions which are formed by the gain of one electron. And chloride ion has nearest noble gas configuration of 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So, chlorine ion is more stable than that of chlorine atom. Chloride ion is more stable than that of chlorine atom. Okay? Now, let's take another example to better understand the concept of the formation of anions. Okay? Formation of oxide ion. The atomic number of oxygen is 8 and its electronic configuration is 2, 6 and it has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. So, it needs 2 more electrons to acquire the stable noble gas configuration of neon atom. So, by taking 2 electrons from some other atom, oxygen atom forms an oxide ion having 2 units of negative charge. And in case of oxide ion, 2 more electrons are present than that of the number of protons, due to which it has 2 unit of negative charge. Okay, and the oxide ion has inert gas arrangement of 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So it is more stable than that of oxygen atom. Okay. Thank you students and have a nice day.